Hi, my name is Robert Chelle with Chelle Law, and my law firm assists dental associates with employment contract and independent contractor agreement issues. Today I'm going to talk about how to navigate a partnership track. So, if you are a dental associate, normally coming out of training, perhaps you're in a practice that is offering some kind of partnership or shareholder track, somewhere between 2 to 3 years is normal. And so there are a number of things you need to think about kind of before you enter in a contract that's leading up to partnership. So first, it's very unlikely if you contract with a corporate dental practice that they're going to offer any kind of partnership. So this is almost always when it's a dentist-owned practice. How long? As I said before, usually 2 to 3 years from when you start to when the practice will discuss offering you partnership or not. The next thing is most of the dental associates I speak to are concerned that there's not any details about the partnership arrangement. And I guess that's for a number of reasons. One, the practice isn't going to guarantee that they're going to offer partnership to any dental associate for a couple of reasons. One, they want to make certain it's a good fit, personally and professionally before they offer partnership to somebody. So they're not going to guarantee in the agreement that they will offer it. And then two, if they put details about maybe if there's a buy-in or the ownership percentage or any of that kind of stuff, and then they decide to change it in the interim, they're kind of stuck with the terms if they were to put those into the contract. So you're not going to see any details about a partnership or buy-in or shareholder arrangement, except for maybe that the group is going to discuss potentially offering partnership to the dental associate after the 2 or 3 year period is over with. So that's the first thing to think about. Next, what is a buy-in? How much is it? It really depends on the practice. It's usually an all or nothing type thing, meaning the buy-in's like $1 or it's like $100,000. If it is $100,000, what most practices do, they'll have the associate sign a promissory note, and then they'll simply take out a percentage or a set amount in every paycheck to the dental associate until the entire amount is paid off. I don't think a large buy-in is very common anymore. It used to be, it's not anymore. And so most of the time when you see a buy-in, it's the de minimis value amount. I guess next, what are the benefits of being a partner, right? So, you'll get access to income and revenue streams that you wouldn't have had before. So, any kind of cosmetic procedures that they have been selling, any kind of equipment, any labs, any of that kind of thing that you wouldn't get any kind of access to as a dental associate, you'll now have the opportunity to be rewarded for those types of things. Now, a couple major red flags to think about. One, I find that most practices that offer partnership track depress the compensation for the period, the waiting period. I don't know if you want to call it that. So, meaning most of them will offer compensation that's below market for the 2 year period as kind of a carrot on the stick, so that the dental associate will stick around and then potentially have I don't know if a windfall is the right way of saying it, but a much greater compensation potential once they do become partner. So you need to make certain that the practice isn't just offering this as some kind of illusory promise and then never actually offering partnership. So you need to ask the practice directly, how many dental associates have you denied partnership to? If it's like, the last 12, well then obviously it's a BS offer. If they say we've never denied somebody partnership, well then that's a better, situation where you can kind of feel secure that it's likely, unless you're like the biggest jerk in the world, that they're going to offer it to you. So that's kind of a brief explanation of partnership track for dental associate. If you have any questions about your employment agreement or independent contractor agreement, feel free to contact my law firm at the phone number and website listed in the description below. And I appreciate you watching the video. Thanks.